to the simple steps to reset your Discord password. First, let's log out from my account. Go to the U button on your profile and then click on Settings and scroll down there and click on Logout. After you log out, you will be asked with login access again. Please click on the number you registered and select your country or region. As I have done mine, click on Forget Your Password. Click on Forget Your Password right below the password, and you will be sent a confirmation code to reset your password. Then, after that, you will be navigated through discord.com to change your password. And you can even use strong password according to your phone or choose your own password. Mm, Create a new password and continue to Discord. You can even continue in browser or back to log in to the Discord app in your phone. Then please enter your new password with your phone number. And there you have it. You have successfully reset your Discord password and now can log back into your account. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.